This is Gypsy, and she wants to go outside for some reason. Nope, she's not going outside. The other one's is laying right there. She's not going outside at all. For some reason, she's licking the door. Right, never mind. Gypsy! Gypsy! Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go get your food. Come on. Let's go. Let's go get some food. You're not going outside.
What's that say? I don't know.
Gypsy wants us You're not going outside. Look. Look what it's like outside. You're not going out there. Look. Look. You see what it's like outside. It's too cold. You're not going out there. Go. Go lay down. Go. Come on. Let's go. Go eat your food. Go eat your food. Wash it out.